Cholera. Introduction. Cholera is an illness that causes diarrhea. Select true or false. Correct. Cholera causes diarrhea. What are the symptoms of a severe cholera infection? Choose one of the following options. 1. Diarrhea. 2. Muscle cramps. 3. Fast heartbeat. 4. All of the above. Correct. Diarrhea, muscle cramps, and a fast heartbeat are all symptoms of a severe infection. Cholera is most commonly spread through, choose one of the following options. 1. Infected water and food. 2. Shaking someone's hand. Correct. Infected water and food is the most common source of cholera. Amy's daughter just got over a mild cholera infection. Amy is now feeling very sick. She has severe diarrhea. She is very thirsty. She is vomiting and has muscle cramps. What should she do? Choose one of the following options. 1. Stay at home and wait to feel better. 2. Call her healthcare provider and get treatment immediately. Correct. Amy has severe symptoms. She needs to seek treatment as soon as possible. Can diarrhea cause death? Select yes or no. Correct. If not treated, a child can die from dehydration caused by diarrhea within a day. What's the best way to prevent a cholera infection? Choose one of the following. 1. Cook food well. 2. Drink and use safe water. 3. Wash your hands often with soap and safe water. 4. All of the above. Correct. You can help prevent cholera by cooking food well, using clean water, and washing your hands often. Thank you for using Explain.